The Ring Battery Doorbell Pro offers a compelling option for homeowners seeking a feature-rich video doorbell without the hassle of electrical wiring. Let's delve into its pros and cons to see if it's the right fit for you. Pros: crystal clear video and audio. While the camera resolution remains the same as the Ring Video Doorbell Plus, the Pro boasts upgraded Audio Plus for clear two-way conversations and crisp sound in recordings. It also features impressive night vision with full color instead of the black and white typical of many cameras. 3D motion detection and customizable zones. This doorbell goes beyond standard motion sensors. The 3D technology helps differentiate between people, packages, and even pets, reducing unwanted notifications. You can further customize privacy zones to exclude areas you don't want monitored. Easy installation and use. If you're comfortable with a screwdriver, you can install the Ring Battery Doorbell Pro yourself. The Ring app is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing you to control settings, view live footage, and receive notifications. Reliable battery life. While results may vary depending on usage, expect to recharge the battery roughly every 2 weeks with moderate activity. Ring even offers optional spare battery packs for uninterrupted coverage. Cons: higher price point. The Ring Battery Doorbell Pro comes at a significant premium compared to the standard Ring Video Doorbell Plus. You're essentially paying extra for the upgraded audio, 3D motion detection, and color night vision. No Google Assistant integration. If you're invested in the Google Assistant ecosystem, this doorbell won't integrate seamlessly. It currently only works with Amazon Alexa. Lacks person detection. While the 3D motion detection is a plus, some competing models offer true person detection, which can be even more precise. Verdict: the Ring Battery Doorbell Pro stands out for its combination of clear video and audio, advanced motion detection features, and user-friendly design. However, the price increase over the standard model might make some hesitate. Consider your priorities. If crystal clear communication, feature-rich motion detection, and color night vision are essential, the Pro might be worth the investment. If you're on a budget or prioritize Google Assistant integration, the standard Ring Video Doorbell Plus might be a better match.